Yo, what is the dealio, y'all? Hey, listen, man, we got to talk today. We got to talk today. Check this out. They are playing with you in your face in this stock market, and it's up to you to not allow them to play games with you. All right? Check this out, man. If you're watching this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, okay? So today, I want you to understand what's really happening right now. And what's happening is straight games, okay? Last night, futures was down, 1,200, I believe? It ain't no way that now, all of a sudden, right, the market is going green and it's exploding. Games are being played right now, okay? I want you to understand what's really happening right now, okay? A lot of volatility in the market has happened. A lot of people lost money today, all right? If you lost money today and you got caught in a bull trap, man, I feel for you. But you got to tighten up, all right? You got to tighten up because, stock options, it's a lot of money to be made, but I'm telling you the same amount of money can be lost. And if you made money today and you don't know why you made money and you did not make money off of your strategy that you have, what's going to happen is tomorrow you probably going to lose it because the market has got to balance out. I'm not wishing that on you, but I'm just telling you what's real principles in this trading game, okay? So listen, what Trump did was this man announced that they was going to do a 90-day pause on tariffs, right? And then what happened? We saw the market exploded. And then out of nowhere, they came out and said that's fake news. And then what happened? It started going down. And now what we're seeing is some bull flags, right? But I don't trust the bull flags that I'm seeing right now. I don't even trust technicals right now. And I'm being very, very, very cautious. See, this is the side of trading that they don't tell you about. All right? Everybody wants to show you the screenshots. But I'm telling you right here, the psychology. Trading psychology got to be on point. Of course, you can make money. All right? But if you make money and you don't know how you made it or you got lucky, you gotta tread very, very, very cautious because what's going to happen is you could lose that same amount of money or more the next day or 2 days later. All right? So what I want to do is I want to go to the charts and I'm going to show y'all what happened. I'm going to show y'all the games that they played. All right? And I'm going to show y'all, this is crazy. So look at this, all right? So we opened up today. It don't matter what the stock was. A lot of these stocks did the same thing, but let's look at SPY, okay? Let's look at SPY. So SPY closed on Friday at 505, right? So we gapped down at the lowest point in pre-market. We was at 483, okay? 483. And then look what happens. And then we open up at 483.99, right? So we open up damn near at pre-market lows, okay? So we open up right here, my bad, 488. And then we come down, okay? And then we kind of chill in there for like 15 minutes, right? It's on a 15-minute time frame. And then out of nowhere, we blast up. So understand this, the SPY went from 483 all the way to 513, and then it wicked up here on 517, and then this candle it came all the way up to 523. Come on now. You mean to tell me that ain't... So this little move right here is when Trump said that they gonna pause the tariffs for 90 days, and then once he said it was fake news, this happened. Okay? And then as you can see, we chopped around right here. All right? This right here is called manipulation at its finest. Okay? So these were crazy moves from 483 all the way to 523. That is an insane move. Okay? Look at Apple. We was about to play Apple today, right? So I was getting ready to call a put. I want to show you what happened. I was getting ready to call a put. On the 15-minute, it was this candle right here, but it was right below the VWAP, okay? So it was at 181. 181. And then we had 15 seconds left for this candle to close, okay? I was about to enter into a put, and we was going to write it down to 177, right? Because that's where the bottom of the Bollinger Bands was. Within those 15 seconds, this stock glitched, okay? It went from 181 all the way down to 176 within a span of seconds. Don't no stock do that like that. Okay? That's when I say I'm not playing today. That's when I say I'm not trading today. All right? Look at the QQQ. It looked just like SPY. It did the same exact thing. Look at Carvana. Same exact thing. Right? Look at Shopify. Same exact thing. Look at Micron. Same exact thing. Okay? I want you to understand we were going into a bear market. Trump does not want a bear market and more, selling pressure happening on his watch. So something has to happen to make the stocks go back up so that people cannot be as afraid as they have been. Like, this is all a game. This is all a game. I want you guys to understand what's going on. Sometimes it's okay to not take a trade. Sometimes it's okay to not take a trade. Okay? Because what happens is when you taking trades and you got high volatility and you don't know fully what you're doing, you are going to get played in the market. You're going to get played in the market. All right? This ain't no trade of the day. This ain't even about the charts for real. This is about making sure that you ain't getting cooked every single day in the market. I personally don't trust the green that we seeing right now. I personally don't trust it because there are certain levels that the SPY was about to go down to. There are certain levels that Apple was about to go down to. But because certain things had to happen so that Trump could protect himself, right, from the narrative, he was like, you know what? Let me go say this real quick. And then after 15, 20 minutes, go say that this is fake news. We're going to create some volatility. Technicals didn't even matter in that period of time. When I say technicals, I'm talking about the charts. Okay? It's very easy to make money accidentally in the market. It's very easy to make money accidentally in the market. Just because you see a green candle, don't mean you go get in a call. Just because you see a red candle, don't mean you go get in a put. I want you to understand that if you don't make money, as long as you don't lose money, you won. You got to learn how to protect your capital. All right? You got to learn how to protect your capital. You don't have to play the games just because everybody is saying that they made money. Because only people that's talking on the internet is the ones that made money. You ain't hearing nobody today talking about how they got in a bull trap. They thought it was going to keep going up because it was going up. And then they yanked it down out of nowhere when Trump said it was fake news. And then they lost $2,000. And it happened within seconds. So always remember, just as fast as you could make money in the stock market, you could lose it just as fast. You got to understand, it's easy to think about how much money you can make. But proper risk management and being able to trade maturely, you got to be willing to think about how much money am I willing to lose? Because when stuff like this happen, you're going to wish that you was more responsible in your trading. When we're trading, we are not meant to be gambling. It's not supposed to feel like gambling either. This is real life stuff here. I'm trying to help you make more money in the stock market, and I'm trying to help ensure that you don't take large L's. There's a lot of people that took some large L's today, and then they sit and they play all day hoping that it reverses. Psychology. They got you. You see two green candles. If a stock goes up by $20 in 15, 20 minutes, do not get in a call. Do not get in a call. Because that is irrational and it's unsustainable. Before you get in a call and you see a stock going up, wait until it pulls back first, and then you can enter into a call for it to go back to the upside, if it's still showing signs of going back to the upside. But I'm telling you that there was a lot of market manipulation today. This is the most that I've seen during the actual session. I'm seeing random candlesticks glitch and go up. I'm seeing random candlesticks glitch and go down by $2. Come on now. I did not take a trade today, and I'm good with that. Because when we zoom out for a year, I already know I'm about to be up. I don't care about 1 or 2 days where I'm taking it easy. I'm not letting greed control me. I'm also not letting fear control me. When you learn how to slow yourself down, you're going to be able to see clearly. You're going to be able to see clearly. All right? So I really hope that this helped you guys. I really hope that it helped you see clearly and actually see what's going on. It's a lot of games being played right now. I'm not going to allow nobody to play in my face in the market just because I want to make some money, right? Because here's the thing about trading. You may not take a trade in a day, right? Let's say you got a goal of let's just say $1,000 in a week. That means that you got to make 5 days, 1,000 divided by 5 is $200, right? So you got to average $200. Okay, cool. So let's say today you don't take a trade. Now you got to make $250 a week. I mean, $250 a day. That's only an extra $50 in a day. But if you are exercise patience and discipline in one day, you will be rewarded the next day or the day after. You may make $600 in one day, right? Don't be so gung-ho on, I got to make this money, that you start to compromise your disciplines and your rules. And if you don't have any rules, you need to make those rules so that you know what game you're even playing. All right? So I really, really, really hope that you understanding this and it's really sticking. Because right now is not a time to just be pulling out the trigger and just shooting from the hip. This is not the time for that, okay? There is no clear direction in what's going on right now. Things is getting yanked down like crazy. Games are being played. I want you to start slowing down and get mature. Don't be in a rush just to make money, all right? When you skip steps, you miss lessons. I hope that these lessons and things that I'm saying are ringing in your head and you really taking heed to it. All right? Because I want to see you win. I want to see everybody win. But I want to see you do it in a sustainable way. Today was not sustainable. What I saw the first 2 hours of the market, closed my laptop, I said I'm done. I'm good. I'm going to go enjoy my day. All right? So that's what I got for you guys today, all right? Always remember, get out of your head, go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right, I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Peace.